Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable replied with message on the lock screen on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, swipe up to go down. Then tap on Face ID and passcode. In here, put in the screen passcode. Then we scroll down to the bottom, and in here, tap on Replied with Message. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Once it is turned on, then you can see that on my lock screen, when I receive an incoming call, I can choose to reply with a message. Now, if I switch it off, so if I switch off that feature, then when I make a call and when my screen is locked, I will not have the ability to reply with a message. It is now disabled. As you can see, it is now disabled and I cannot reply with a message. And this only applies to the lock screen. And that is how you can switch it on or off in the settings menu. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.